Okay, before we play together, let's talk about some common mistakes that people make when they're learning to play the saxophone. So here's the right sound that we're looking for. Mine may be slightly higher pitched than yours, and that is okay. So if you don't have it pressed up on your top teeth enough, you won't be able to get that clear sound, and you might sound something like this. And it's a really easy fix. You just need to press up more on your top teeth so your reed has more freedom to vibrate. If I really use those top teeth to anchor onto, it helps so much. If you're taking too much reed in your mouth and mouthpiece, you might squeak. You also might squeak if you're puffing your cheeks. We don't want puffy cheeks to play saxophone. So let me show you. If you're getting crazy sounds like that or really high-pitched squeaks, you might have too much in your mouth and you may just not have control of your cheeks right now. So make sure to watch yourself in the mirror and check yourself and make sure you're not doing anything funny like that, okay? All right, let's play a little bit together. I have my metronome set at 60, and we're going to do something called I play, you play. So I will play for 4 beats, we'll rest for 4 beats, and then you will play for 4 beats. And we'll do this several times to get lots of practice. Okay, I want you to bring your instrument up into your mouth and keep it there the whole time. Set yourself, check your reed, make sure you have enough in your mouth. My turn, 2, ready? Your turn, ready, make a steady sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. My turn again. Take your breath through your corners this time. Breathe in, out, 2, 3, 4, off. My turn. Try to make your sound match mine this time. Breathe and play. 2, 3, 4, off. My turn again. Your turn. And breathe, play. 2, 3, 4, stop. My turn, last one. Your last one. Breathe and play. 2, 3, 4, and stop. Okay, now you can go practice that on your own with your metronome, making a steady, clear, smooth sound.